Hello friend, in this video we will discuss about NATO and its history and member countries. Full name: North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NATO founded in 4 April 1949. Headquarters of NATO: Brussels. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. The current Secretary General of NATO is Mark Rutte. Mark Rutte is the 14th Secretary General of NATO, which takes charge from 1st October 2024. Mark Rutte is the former Prime Minister of Netherlands from 2010 to 2024. The military head of NATO is called Supreme Allied Commander IRUF. NATO current member countries are 32. The only Muslim member country in NATO are Turkey. NATO have 14 articles. Article 5 is most popular. Article 5 means collective defense. Mean if attack on one NATO member countries, consider attack on all purpose and objective of NATO to prevent Russian expansion after World War II, promote peace and security, ensure collective defense in its member countries, protect democratic value. NATO political structure: North Atlantic Council (NAC), which is decision-making bodies. The head of North Atlantic Council is Secretary General. Military structure: in military structure, there is military committees, Allied Command Operation (ACO), Allied Command Transformation (ACT). Military head of NATO is Supreme Allied Commander IRUF. NATO military capabilities: NATO member countries have land forces, air forces, naval forces. Nuclear countries in NATO: UK, USA, and France. NATO and Russia. Russia considers NATO as a security threat for himself and therefore want to keep distance with NATO member countries. On the other side, NATO member countries said that we are only work for our defense and security. NATO major operation: Bosnia and Herzegovina's war, which fought between 1995 to 2004. Operation name IFOR, Afghanistan Operation 2001 to 2021. Operation name ISAF, International Security Assistance Force. Afghanistan operation is the NATO longest and largest operation. Kosovo Operation 1999. Libya Operation 2011. Operation Unified Protection. Iraq Operation 2018. Train Iraq Forces. NATO budget: every member country of NATO is encouraged to spend 2% of GDP on defense. USA shared the largest contribution on NATO budget. NATO partnership. NATO partnership are cooperative framework that allow non-NATO member countries and organizations to work with NATO for peace, security, training, and political dialogue without becoming NATO member. NATO partnership framework. Number 1. Partnership for Peace 1994. Focus on military cooperation, defense, reform, and peacekeeping. Example: Pakistan, Ukraine, Georgia, Kazakhstan. Number 2. Euro-Atlantic Partnership Council EAPC 1997. Promote dialogue on regional and global security. Mediterranean Dialogue MD 1994 for Africa and Middle East countries. Understanding of member countries: Egypt, Jordan, Israel, Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria. Number 4. Istanbul Cooperation Initiative ICI 2004. Focus on Gulf countries. Cooperation on security, counter-terrorism, and defense training. Member countries: UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar. Number 5. Partner across the globe. Countries outside Europe and MENA work with NATO on global security issues. Example: Australia, Jordan, South Korea, and Pakistan. NATO flag and symbol. Symbol meaning unity, direction, and peace. So friend, NATO remain one of the most peaceful military alliance in history, shaping global security and international relations in 21st century. For more global information and updates, visit our channel daily. Thank you.